Okay, so the way this horn circuit works is right here you have the fuse, and power from the fuse always, the horn circuit itself is always hot. And the power goes from this fuse down into the horn switch itself. And when someone presses on the switch, this wire activates, and this acts as a magnet closing. And then the power goes to the horns themselves, and the horn sounds.
One of them looks like that.
Go. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to check a relay. And right now I have a ground clip connected to the ground side and a fuse buddy connected to this. I have the positive lead on pin 87 and the negative lead on pin 30. And the way to check this is you want to take this end, put it to the positive end, and I get a reading of 1.2 ohms, and it keeps to be going down, and that's exactly what you want. Okay, so now we are going to test the amperage for the brake light, and we are doing the top center stoplight. And right now we get the fuse buddy plugged into the fuse, and I got a reading of 1.93 amps. And when you do this test, you want to have someone on the brake while you're doing this test. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to test the horn circuit with a test light to show that it's always hot and that it always works. And when the test light is on, it shows that this fuse and the horn circuit itself works, and the horn circuit by itself is always high, whether the car is on or off. Okay, so right here we have the diagram for a 98 S10, and the wire right here, the power comes down and it flows through the brake pedal, and it goes to a fuse, then it hits to the headlights here, and then it grounds out there. I now have it set up to where we can check volts. And right now I got my meter set on volts, so I'm just going to take the positive lead and put it right on there. Dylan, hit the brake. I have a reading of 0.7 volts. Which is not bad. Okay, so now I'm doing resistance, and right now I have it on the same type of lead, and I have a reading of 1.4 ohms of resistance roughly, which is good for this 98 S10.